welcome back. We are now at the ConvertKit page. What we're going to do is we're going to try ConvertKit for free, and we're going to click this button. When we get to this page, what we're going to do is we're going to choose the method that we want to start with ConvertKit. Now, one thing you can do is you can move your relationship from another tool or even try another tool. And so what you're going to do is you're going to choose the autoresponder that you already have. You can choose Aweber or any of these other 4 autoresponders. There are others that you might be able to use as a way of connecting to ConvertKit. What you can also do if you are testing during the trial is you can start from scratch. And so you can click this button that says, no, I'm just starting for email. And what we can do then is we're going to click yes. Now, if you already have a website system that you're using, you'll choose it. You can choose one of the other systems if you're using another platform. Once you choose your platform, you can then create an email address that you're going to be using in order to get started with ConvertKit. You're then going to click Get Started. Now, once you are inside, if you want to move over some of your subscribers from another email autoresponder, you can go to Subscribers. And then what you can do is you can import from another provider. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another